Installation of Presence by replacing an existing outdoor light. In this video, we will explain how to install Presence by replacing an existing outdoor light or by installing it at a spot designed for lights. If you need to run a power cable or if you are not qualified, contact a professional electrician. In order to install Presence on your outdoor wall, make sure to have with you all the elements included in the pack, as well as a step ladder, Phillips and slotted screwdrivers, a level. We also recommend you to take a caulking gun with silicone sealant. And if there is no junction box at the place where you would like to install Presence, you will also be needing a drill. Important: before installing Presence, read the safety information detailed in the user guide provided in the pack. Step 1. Select the existing outdoor light you would like to replace by Presence. Please note that once installed, Presence will only be able to notify you about activities if it is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi. Presence cannot connect to the internet through Ethernet. Therefore, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is activated for this step. After the installation of Presence is complete, you will also need to make sure your Wi-Fi is activated. This will enable you to receive notifications. Now, check with your smartphone whether or not you have Wi-Fi reception on the spot you chose for the installation of Presence. If you do not, try to move your Wi-Fi router closer. Keep in mind that you should install Presence at a height of about 2.5 to 4 meters or 8 to 14 feet. Step 2. Before installing Presence, disconnect the power at the fuse box or at the circuit breaker. Step 3. In order to install Presence, first disassemble the existing outdoor light fixture. Then, install and secure the mounting strap. Two possibilities for that. Either you have a junction box on the wall, or you do not have a junction box on the wall. If you have a junction box at the spot where you would like to install Presence, preferably fasten the mounting strap diagonally to the junction box by using the provided screws. Make sure to place the mounting strap in such a way that the up sign is at the highest point of the mounting strap. If you do not have a junction box, you must install the mounting strap directly to the wall. To do this, preferably draw 2 holes diagonally on the wall with a pencil. The marked holes must be at a distance of 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. They must be placed next to the power cable and mark a 45-degree angle with the power cable as shown on the screen. Drill the 2 marked holes and secure the mounting strap by using the provided screws and anchors. Make sure to place the mounting strap in such a way that the up sign is at the top. Important: to continue with the demonstration, we have chosen a wall without a junction box. Nevertheless, the guidelines for walls with a junction box are exactly the same. Step 4. Now, place your camera in its protective envelope in order not to damage your camera in the following step. Then, hang the camera very carefully from the green screw located on the mounting strap with the help of the wire tie. Step 5. Once you have done this, you must connect the cables of the power cable to those of the wire terminal located behind the plate. First, connect the ground supply wire to the yellow and green wire. Then the neutral supply wire, often blue or white, to the blue wire. And then the hot supply wire, often brown or black, to the brown wire. You must also make sure that the ground wire on the wire terminal is screwed with the green screw to the mounting strap. Step 6. You must place the plate on the mounting strap and secure it. First, align the central holes of the mounting strap with those of the plate and pass the green screw through one of the holes of the U-shaped guide. Turn the plate in order to install it horizontally. To make sure it is straight, use a level. Then fasten the green screw. Step 7. You can now install and secure the camera to the plate. To do so, use the provided mounting holder with the black screw and fasten it to the plate. Once the camera is securely fastened to the plate, you can cut the wire tie and remove the protective envelope. Step 8. You now need to tilt the camera so that it will record videos from the correct angle. To do so, untighten the screws located on the sides and the back of the camera and tilt the camera in the correct position. The tilt angle should be of about 30 degrees in order to have a good view from the camera. Once you are done, make sure to tighten the screws properly. Step 9. Reconnect the power and make sure your Wi-Fi is activated. Presence will start for the first time and the floodlight will turn on. Step 10. To finalize the installation of your Presence camera, we recommend you to protect the wiring by caulking the plate surface with silicone weather sealant, but to leave the bottom unsealed so moisture can drain out. Step 11. Now you need to set up Presence from your smartphone or tablet. To do so, go to presence.netatmo.com or download the app directly from your smartphone's app store. Create an account or log in if you already have a Netatmo account. Follow the instructions on the app. Enjoy a safer home.